Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host and mentor. Hello. I hope you are doing well. Today I came up again with another amazing video for you guys. First of all, like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Today I'm gonna tell you how to make business account on Google. So please stay with me. First of all, search on Google how to create a business account and go for the easiest steps given there. Please stay. Yes. How to create business email in 4 easy steps. Guys, first step is to register your domain. So first of all, you have to go there, buy domain name, website domain, anything. So here you come, visit this site. First check out hosting plan, and there are some hosting plan given. You can check it. These are some hosting plans, guys. First of all, I'm gonna tell you, you can't do it for free. You have to purchase your domain first and then start your web hosting. So there are some plans. Yes, here it is. For .com, $12.95 per year. For .net, same as for that .net. For tech, for online website, you can see here are some plans, yearly plans. Yes. Now let's go to the main thing. Yes, guys, here you can make your own domain. Like for example, I'm going to make my domain as 𝘀𝗍𝗄𝗃 dot com or dot pk or dot au or dot us, anything. Oh guys, like ali ali dot 𝗙𝗃, we can do it also. And after grabbing your domain, go to the web hosting domain. Now log in your account, log in your domain which you had buy. From there, go anything. So here you can make your business account and host your business domain. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you guys, thank you very much.